My name is Chris. This is Julie. We've been married 13 years now. Actually, in July, we hit our anniversary, so about 13 and a half years. Pretty much our situation is, I guess it started about 9 months or so ago. My wife was dealing with some really bad anxiety and some really bad depression. She just got really worried about it, really scared. And of course, I wanted to help her, so I went online, I did a lot of research, tried to find out as much as I could about it.
It affected my blood pressure.
Yeah, blood pressure was going crazy, which even scared me even worse. We've even had to go to the ER a few times because her blood pressure got so high and I didn't want her to have a stroke or anything like that. They always gave her some hypertension medicines in her home, talked to her OBGYN about it. Not much help there either. So after doing some research, I discovered RevitalyzeMD on the website, checked all the reviews and stuff. It had outstanding reviews. So we decided to give it a try. She had some concerns at first.
I was worried about maybe if I do the
testosterone and stuff.
Testosterone, I felt like maybe like
it was gonna change you.
Change me, like a man or something like that.
Yeah, but you don't want to be a bodybuilder.
No.
Yeah, but I mean that's never been the case at all. So after talking about it, and we came in, we tried it, we talked to Dr. Durst, and she pretty much put our mind at ease, explained the whole process, explained to her that, of course, that's not what happens at all, that even females use testosterone, or women, should I say, just as much as males do. Males have estrogen and testosterone, and women have testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone, since coming here. So the doctors are very good. They educate you on all the symptoms and all the treatments, and they explain everything really well. She got her testosterone pellets put in, and she got the progesterone put in, and it was really like night and day. After that, she felt 10 times better, no mood swings. It really helped her anxiety, no more depression whatsoever.
Lower my blood pressure.
It lowered her blood pressure. It really helped her sex life as well too. So I was so impressed by her results, I decided to give it a try. I was actually seeing the VA, and they were helping me out with treating my low testosterone and stuff. So I'm 38, so I'm right at that cusp where it starts to get pretty low. They treated me for a little while, and it helped a little bit at first, but it never really got to the point where I was really happy or satisfied with it. So I talked to the doctors here, Dr. Durst and Dr. Faraday, about options for men, just to see what they had. And they actually had a program for men too. So they were telling me that VA doesn't really do it very efficiently, where I was taking one injection every 2 weeks. Your body doesn't process testosterone that way, that it should be every couple of days, like a small amount every couple of days instead of a large amount every 2 weeks. So once I tried that, again, even me, it was like night and day. A lot more energy, even in the gym, lifting weights and stuff, a lot stronger, put on muscle faster. I was a bigger guy before. I've even lost 30 pounds so far over the last 5 months or so. So it's really helped out a lot. I highly recommend coming here to trying it out. I'm sure you do as well.
Yeah, it improves me a lot.
Yeah. Even while coming here, trying the treatment and stuff like that, it's given her more energy and more motivation to where she's even working out now, as before she didn't really have the motivation or energy to, and she's actually lost 20 pounds herself. And if you have any doubts or worried about the effects of any of the testosterone treatments, just try it out. I mean, there's no place to go but up from here. If you're already feeling down and depressed, having anxiety, this is not gonna change you, nothing but for the better anyway. So it'll definitely help you. We definitely recommend it to anybody who's out there suffering to come and at least give it a shot. See how you feel for the first treatment. But for us, it was like night and day. It really helped us a lot. It feels like I got my wife back.